How to find specific text on web page in Google Chrome. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this session, we'll learn on how to use the Find tool in Google Chrome to locate specific text on the web page. So first of all, let's open the Google Chrome web browser on your device and then navigate to a website. This article is quite lengthy, and if you're trying to find a specific word reading through it line by line, it can be tedious and time consuming. So to make this process easier, you can use the Find feature. You can activate it by pressing Ctrl plus F on your keyboard simultaneously. And alternatively, you can click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen and hover over to Find and Edit option that is between the Translate, Cast, Save and Share. From the extended menu, tap on Find, and once the Find dialog box opens, you can type in the word that you want to search for. For instance, if you type moon in this bar, all instances of that word will be highlighted in the article. You will see that there are a total 2 occurrences of the word moon in this article. You can navigate through the highlighted words using the arrows in the dialog box. Then click on the next button to move it to the next occurrence and click on previous button to go back. You have now successfully learned how to use Find tool. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.